Hi guys, welcome to the Luck Mom's channel. My name is the Luck Mom Deborah Nyanchoka, and you?
Did the champion.
Yeah, this is the champion. This is CC, this is F, and this is Mother. We are heading to church here in the village. You can do like this.
Wow,
Hi.
Papa do like this.
Happy Sabbath.
Happy day.
Happy day.
Happy Sabbath.
Good day. Oh, hi family. Now we are done. We are just heading for lunch. But afternoon, I'm going to take these champions for a nature walk. We are going to show you how our village looks like. This is our church. Uh, Today we were taught about patience of saints. How saints should be patient when they are waiting for the second coming. And now we are just heading home. Then after this, we are going for a nature walk. I want to go with the champions around so that I can show them how our village is beautiful, how they see trees. We will see. We will see next. Keep watching. We are together.
Hi family, my name is Did the champion. Let me introduce my family here. This is the church leader. This is Sisi, my cousin, and this one is Ibra, my cousin. This is the lucky man Deborah and Choka, my mother. This is F, my brother, and this one is my auntie.
Wow, Did the champion. Where are we right now?
We are in my church.
Your home church? What is the name of your home church?
Makairo Township.
Oh, Makairo Township. Who brought you to this church?
My grandmother brought me here, and I know my church now. We come with my mother.
Wow, that is nice. I'm so happy that Did the champion brought me today. This is my first time I have come to this home church. This is where they fellowship with our grandmother and F the champion. But today I'm so happy because I have come here today and I'm enjoying every bit of the Sabbath. I'm so happy because I've learned that saints should be patient, right?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Dee, for bringing me here today. I love you so much, and I love all the church members, and I love your church. I'll be coming with you every Sabbath.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. Hi, family. Now we are, this is after lunch. We are doing a nature walk here in the village. We are so happy. You can see tea plantation. This is our, it's very far from our home, but this is our shamba. This is our land where we have tea. And now I try to bring my kids here and the family. That is my sister-in-law, mother. Just say hi.
Hi.
Show you, bro, my nephew.
Hi.
Yeah. So we are enjoying our nature walk, and we are going to sing for you. This is our whole choir. Hope you'll enjoy. Keep watching. We are going to show you how we have nice trees around, bananas. You know, this is Busi land where we have bananas. Can't wait to show you everything. Thank you for your support. Continue watching. We want to sing. We are enjoying our nature walk. I'm here with the whole choir. Now we want to sing in Swahili. How God is love. How God is great for what He has done. Okay, now we can start singing. Okay. Miti ya yumba 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 yumba, miti ya yumba yumba, onyesha Mungu ni upendo. Maua ya inama inama inama, maua ya inama, onyesha Mungu ni upendo. Watoto ruka 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 ruka, watoto ruka ruka, sema Mungu ni upendo.
Watoto
Wanacheza cheza cheza, watoto wanacheza, onyesha Mungu ni upendo. Haya, ile ya mapato madogo madogo.
Mapata madogo madogo,
Mapata madogo madogo,
yanaogelea, yanaogelea,
kichwa ndani ya maji na kukia juu.
yanasema kwe kwe kwe, yanasema kwe kwe kwe.
Mungu kaumba mapata madogo madogo.
Mabata makubwa
Makubwa makubwa, yanaogelea,
yanaogelea,
kichwa ndani ya maji na mkia juu.
yanasema kwe kwe kwe,
Yanasema
kwe kwe kwe.
Mungu kaumba mapata makubwa makubwa. Amen. We are just enjoying here in the forest. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
This must be your happiest day.
This is my another walk.
Now this is how our home looks like. You can see trees all over. Everybody, the kids are enjoying. This is what I had missed so much, guys. Now you can see my kids are just very happy with me. Last time I took them out. The date they wanted, they have been. They wanted. Now they are very happy. They don't feel like going back home, but it's almost time. But we'll show you as we reach home. We are still going home. You can see F the champion is very happy. D the champion. This is Sisi, another champion here, my niece. We love you, and we are going to show you how our village looks like. This is our home village. You can tour. This is a tourist site anyway. You can see the way D and her cousin are just playing, showing that they are very happy. It's very nice to be with your kids, if possible. Just it's not a must you take them maybe into expensive places. You can just bring them to nature so that they will be enjoying. Oh, F the champion! Just do like this. F F F F F. Yeah. This is another part. Now we are walking between our tea plantation. You know, tea plantation is the main economic activity here in the village. This is the main source of income here in Husiland. We have decided to tour so that we can at least showcase how our land looks like. For those people who like taking tea, this is where it comes from. When you pluck tea, you should pluck like this. Just 2 leaves and this part. This is how we pluck it. I need to show you. So this is the beginning. This is where you have to pluck. Then it's taken to the buying center, then to the factory to be manufactured. Soon I'm going to do a video starting from how we pluck it, how we weigh it in the buying center, then to the factory for manufacturing. That video is coming very, very soon. We love you so much, guys, and thank you for your support. More is coming. More green content is coming from the village, and we are very, very happy. You can see we are just even walking along the napier grass. Our home is very beautiful. this nature walk has been so nice. Now we are at the open field, and they want to do some gymnastics and some exercises. Now you can start, guys. Okay, see here for the other side. Sissy, stand up and do it alone. Sissy, it's your turn. Do it. Do. F, this is your turn. Wow. F is your turn. Wow. Okay, okay. You guys are enjoying. Wow. This has been our best day. Okay. Okay. This is part of our nature walk. We are just walking alongside maize plantation. This has been a very nice day. The other side you can see sugarcane. This is a sugarcane plantation. This is also beans. Beans are ready, they have dried here. This is how our village looks like. It's so nice. It has been a nice and amazing nature walk. You can see the kids are just enjoying this environment. Yeah, it became so cold and they had to put on their sweaters. You can see napier grass, trees. This is how our village looks like. Yeah. If you have never seen a sugarcane plantation, you can see this is the young age. Yeah. This is where it starts from. This is a sugarcane plantation. People are carrying their bags now. After this, you can see F on the other side. Now, we love you so much. Continue watching till the end. Yeah, this is. I'm still within the. I tend to become a cameraman now. I'm within this napier grass plantation. The other side is sugarcane plantation. We have already now come to the end of our nature walk. Now we are just going, entering to our homestead. We love you so much. What can you say?
I love you so much too. This day was nice. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.